And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you the basics of color editing in Adobe Lightroom. You will find this image via the description link below, and we'll go to Edit, Short key E, and we'll adjust the color. So everything else is at 0, unedited, and under white balance you can choose auto, and if you change the sliders we will have custom anyway. There's a color mixer. I will dedicate a specific video for this. Let us ignore it for this beginner video. Then you've got this color picker tool, and you can use it to auto adjust the color. So the white balance here, you can see it's now custom, and you should pick a color that is neutral, so a gray tone. And if I click on different colors, you can see the effect automatically applied. So I can make the color balance very cold if I click on a warm area of the image, or I can make it very warm if I click on a cold area of the image. But let me do it manually, so I go back to as shot, and now I use the sliders to adjust the temperature. You can make it colder to the left and warmer to the right. I want to have this one a little bit warmer. Let me turn the color picker, which is the white balance selector, off. Play around with the tint, so make it more green or more magenta. A little bit of magenta would be nice here. Saturation, it adjusts all of the colors and either makes it black and white or makes them all pop. Difference to vibrance is that vibrance doesn't affect all the colors. When you click on the name saturation or vibrance, in this case you can reset it to 0, and when you hold shift you can add a auto effect for this slider only. So vibrance, as I've said, it doesn't adjust all the colors, and it's helpful especially when you've got skin color in your image, as it keeps them almost intact. And here's the difference between the original and the one that we've just added here. When you click on auto under edit, it will adjust it, but also the lighting, as you can see here. The other ones, they stay intact. Let us turn auto off, and you can see color is only adjusted as we did that manually, and the lighting is turned to 0 again. And this is everything about the basics of white balance or color adjustments in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.